Samsung washing machine E4 error code troubleshooting guide solution. Switch off the appliance and wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, switch on the appliance, start new program. If shows this error again, remove top cover. Check water tap open or not. If water not open, open the water tap. Open inlet valve pipe and check inlet valve filter. Filter may be blocked and choked. If this error continue occurring, remove top cover and back cover. Check 220 voltage on inlet valve connector. If the voltage coming, check inlet valve resistance. If resistance not okay, replace the inlet valve. Resistance not okay, replace the inlet valve. If voltage not coming on inlet valve connector, change PCB and harness.